Welcome to Interpretation Experts. I'm Dr. Jasmine, a scholar in English and American literature and a University of Cologne alumna. Today, we'll discuss New Humanism in American literary criticism. New Humanism, a significant literary movement in American literary criticism, emerged as a reaction against naturalism and modernism, advocating a return to moral values and classical ideals. It championed literature's role in cultivating individual character and upheld a belief in universal human virtues. Major proponents like Irving Babbitt, Paul Elmer Moore, and others emphasized the ethical dimensions of art and literature. Importance of Irving Babbitt's works are due to two pieces of writing he has. The first one is Literature and the American College, which is a 1908 essay collection in which Babbitt critiques the utilitarian approach to education and defends a classical humanistic curriculum. He emphasizes the moral purpose of literature, arguing that great art should serve as a guide to ethical living. The other work of Babbitt we should mention here is Rousseau and Romanticism, which is a 1919 critical essay. This essay examines the influence of Jean Jacques Rousseau on modern culture, blaming modernism for the erosion of discipline and moral clarity in literature and society. The second figure, Elmer Moore, also has two famous pieces of writing. The first one is Shelburne Essays, which is an essay collection. The first series was in 1904, and this series was published over decades. It analyzes literary and philosophical texts, advocating for restraint, tradition, and moral order. Elmer Moore critiques the excesses of romantic individualism. His second work, The Demon of the Absolute, which is a 1928 philosophical treatise, critiques modern philosophies that deny universal ethical principles, arguing for the application of classical and Christian values in interpreting life and literature. We could summarize the core ideas of New Humanism in three things. The first one is moral absolutism, in which New Humanism argued that literature should convey universal moral truths. They resisted relativism and emphasized a belief in the permanence of ethical standards. The second one is discipline and restraint, because they championed self control over emotional excess, criticizing Romanticism's focus on individual expression as leading to moral decay. And the third one is critique of modernism. New Humanism as a movement opposed modernism's fragmented narrative structures and nihilism. Instead, they valued coherence and thematic clarity. New Humanism had an influence in American literary criticism by insisting on the ethical dimension of literature. Despite its decline in the 1930s, it could be taken as the precursor of moral formalism. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. I'd love to hear from you.